Hello, today I am going to show you how to insert a new worksheet. So in this workbook there is a one worksheet named sheet 1. Now you need one more another worksheet. So how you can insert? So there is a plus sign, you can see. You just click on this plus sign, you will get a new worksheet. If you need more, you just click on this plus sign. So using this plus sign you can add new sheet, and there is an option in the menu home. In the menu insert, there is an option insert sheet. Just click and see, you will get, but make sure the sheet will insert the left side of your selected sheet. Like now I am selected sheet 4 and the left side is sheet 2, so between sheet 2 and sheet 4 a new sheet will come. Now see, insert, insert sheet, see sheet 5, so between sheet 2 and sheet 4. Now if you can also use your keyboard shortcut, so if you go to this insert and just mouse over this, so you can see there is a written insert worksheet shift plus F11. You can use this shift F11 to insert a new sheet. So in here I'm just pressing shift F11 from my keyboard. See, I got a new worksheet. So there is a three option to insert a new worksheet using this plus button from the menu, and you can also use the keyboard shortcut which is shift F11. Thanks. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe.